So it seems like it's a good little Scout. It's just seen some years. I think it's time we give it a nice resto mod. Let's get to tearing it apart. Knocked it out of the park. Tore it all apart. Alright, well, we're going to keep tearing it apart and get it all dialed in and painted up. Just have fun with it. That's what it's about. Cabin Dew says she's going to pick the colors. We already got a name, but we ain't telling you quite yet. I'll check on the progress here. We got gray. Gray, gray, and gray. So we want to get rid of the rust and just make it nice. So it's looking good to me. He's painting Deuce today. Alright, I'll tape it off, you do the painting. Does that work for you? Does that sound like a deal? It's a dirt that you never see on them. So we're gonna get all this dirt cleaned up and everything addressed and lubed and set up. I can't talk today. So we're gonna get everything looked at, cleaned up, assessed, lubed, wherever it's need to before we put it back together. But so far so good. It's just old and crunchy. Like I said, there ain't very much rust. The little bit that there is, we're gonna take care of. Just that tiny panel down there basically. Everything else is just dirty. So we'll fix it up, dial it in. See, back here is a lot cleaner, but we were able to get most of this stuff. So, can I get an air filter stopped on it? You see, ain't got that far yet. Make sure the carburetor was working first. Another day, another dog biscuit, ain't? Ain't? You want dog biscuits? All right. We're going to do more painting, that kind of thing today. Nice boring morning. We'll play with the actual Yerfdog Scout later. I tore apart the carburetor last night and cleaned it all up, and I forgot to record it. So, you know how that works. But we'll get a look at that today and see how it's running in this cold, cold day. But let's start with some paint work first. Got some light on the subject. Found the main issue with this thing, aside from cleaning the carburetor, is we have a bad choke wire. That wire there shouldn't be free moving in and out. Yeah, like that. Not supposed to do that. It's supposed to be nice and snug. Oh, camera. So yeah, that's why they had it all zip tied up. We have another one in order. But that was giving us a little trouble, obviously. That's going to make it a little wonky. So we'll get that fixed up, get a new cable put in there in a few days, and it should be good to go. Alright, let's see. Little choke here. One more choke. There she goes. It is like 30 degrees outside, so fired up. Good morning, Painter Deuce. Our last stage of paint. Trying to beat the weather, ain't. Before it gets too cold, we're trying to get this paint done. Alright. Another day, another paint job. Let's knock it out, doggo. My pattern got a little messed up in the middle there, but that's alright. Looks like a honeycomb to me. Close enough from 6 foot away, and with some spray paint. Yeah, I can live with that. I mean, we gotta have a dump bed that matches. Got a couple of scuffs from me beating out the dents. But yeah, even the hard to see. The dump bed's got stuff. Maybe the other side's better. I can't see. The dump bed has honeycombs too. Little different. Bit of fun. Let it dry and then reassembly begins. Slap that back on. I just didn't record because the thing's heavy and I'm only one person, so. Roll cage is back on. Dark and gloomy outside now. Bum 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 bum. Chugging along. Wonder what kind of name it should have. I don't know. Some kind of name for the way it sounds. I think it agrees. Yeah, we'll call you Bumble. Are you excited? Do you get to drive today? Is that what it is? Alright, well, get up here. Come on, get up in there. Good job. Alright, come get up here. Is that too tall? Too tall? Hold on, I'll help you. Hold on, I'll help you. Ready? Good job. Okay, you gonna put sticker on? You gonna put a sticker on the steering wheel, I guess? Because it's a doggy. There you go. Gotta line it up, make sure the doggo says it's lined up, measured up. Technical difficulties. Alright, that's Mr. Bumble. Trish designed him up and cut him out on the cry cut. Now we're gonna put him on the vehicle. See how our makeshift I don't know, clamp system, mold, whatever you want to call it, worked. Well, definitely got a curve. Don't look too bad to me. Let's turn it and see how it looks on Bumble. Oh shit. Alright, steady guys, steady. You guys been drinking already today? Yeah, I can work with that. Come on, get up there. You gonna get in the driver's seat? Sit. Sit. Captain Deuce got a new ride. Let me introduce y'all to Bumble. This is our CUV, or compact utility vehicle. We just restored it all up, painted it all up nice, and got it all proper for Deuce to drive. So, pretty cool.